Nginokuthi ngilele nje ngiphuphe. There was a time ngiphupha lamajita angena eholweni lapha eholo laseGasi.
Wona laba eshayana.
No, just nje at random guys I didn't know. Like badubula like yabo. So bese ngiba nalamaphuphunyana lawo.
So it happened ukuthi kungena abantu badubula. Or it's something when manje because of trauma.
Yeah, I think it's because of the trauma. Yeah, it's because of the trauma. But when you isikhathi samba, I start ngabona a situation that reminded me of that dream. So I felt like this dream was telling me this message. You know, ukuthi kuzoyenzeka into so because kulela phupho lamajita mawafika afuna zonke lentwana ezistoti gas. Bazibiza ngamagama. Bathi kimi hayi wena uzithengisela ukudla imala. Yabona bangene badubule lentwana lezi. And the most of the lentwana lezi abazidubula kulela phupho zishonile.
Manje azisaphili
in real life.
I hear what you mean.
And the most abo bashona ngesikhali. Kwazi udubuliwe. Abasekazi mfethu. You know, kuspana ebusuku ngwitness into ezibhaya. More than 5 murders I think I've witnessed in this time frame. 2018 to 2023. Yeah, 2023.
18, 19, 20, 21. In 4 years.
In 4 years. I've seen a lot of people get murdered.
Ukujinjwa kwamachiri kona.
I've honestly angazi ama situation abaya. I think inkinga ikasleti gas. No, there's something that has to do with blood, man. Ukuthi kumele kuchithe gas no matter what. Because kumele lichitheke, you know, especially ebusuku.
And then when kule situation yakho of experiencing such, ubuye ungasabi ukuthi mhlambe bangakulimaza because of bafuna ukucisha evidence.
Yeah. I think if maybe because you know when the cops come and they ask you a few questions and you answer them, but there's a time where ubona ukuthi no, this thing says usala ngami manje. You know, I have to be a key witness and nginabantwana. You know, I have to think of them. Whatever I do, I have to think of them. So it never got to that situation where someone threatened my life because of the evidence, you know. I just think people knew, those guys knew. Untanga is just minding his business, making his money, selling food, you know. Angazi ngibeni angazi.
Awukaze wabane fear ukuthi everybody uyabona ukuthi uyapush business there kuze kuphele nestock awusabe ukukhuthuzwa kwawena ke because ekasi they are capable of ukudla istoko sabo like njengoba usho ukuthi ezolo ubuyazi ukuthi whoever ubamba inkunzi singowasezolo but thina it happens within ekasi lethu ubungakube nama fears anjalo or you always had people around you mawudayisa ohleli nabo.
Yeah, there's always obviously people around chilling. Ne? But there were days where ngiyi-1 estradini. Thola ukuthi ka-Vasco, for example, kuvalwa ngo-2. And then maybe crowd yami mina iphela around 2:30 to 3 a.m. And there's times where ngisele ngiyi-1 estradini, just packing my stuff. I never had that fear. As okay, one thing I know that's always in my heart, in my mind, that's one thing I had.
Okay.
So, yeah, that ngibulala fear by ukuthi man ngiphumezolo ayikho uzongenza next. But then another thing, la machita lawa bewangithanda in a way. You know when umuntu wabantu mfethu. So instead of them they were starting to protect me in a way.
Yini bubabhekela nawe?
Not really.
Because abanye abantu phela i-protection kulamalanga iyathengwa. So
really,
now bakaya ama-favor, antana ngikaya ukwayira yamkaya.
Really. And then mina bebazi ngi-strict ke, I don't do that.
Okay.
Ukuthi angintwana ngikaya ngizokaya. I don't do that mfethu. If awuna mali, i-transfer at least. You know, when e-wallet or something. It doesn't work like that, you know. So, but then, yeah, most of the guys who were supposed to give me problems, to be honest, because I had because benginokuphuma thola ukuthi ngiphume eSwaneville ngeMarapo, and the Marapo is a very istokfela ne.
What is a Marapo now?
It's an event
Igephi.
eKagiso.
Okay.
It's an event eKagiso. So it's like a stokvel.
Okay.
Stokvel sama tavern owner. So this Sunday bago the tavern there. This Sunday.
So uyobhayisa khona.
Yeah.
Wazibani la?
No one.
Hey nesibindi wena.
And the serious says, so when the guys basekasi mabafika, they always told me, Antwana sikubhekile ungawari. You know, do your thing. Because obviously I'm out of Swaneville baweza.
Okay.
So yeah, I always had that bayibizana ngani ngesingami. Street cred.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think the guys who are in the streets, running the streets,
Yeah.
they like the boy. So I think yinto engisindisile kakhulu, you know.
Mm.
Because bengifonela mina I had a lot of situations sothi ngisitake ngepetrol ngiyothengisa, you know. Ngisaya, I don't have any cash.
Yeah.
Ngizofonela one of the guys basestradeni eyodoko ngistakile kuphi kuphi. Angeza njalo as nepetrol angithelele ipetrol si drive. Athi Ntwana thengisa uzongikanya umoceda ukuthengisa, you know. So yeah. Labantu bekumele ngabe bayangibhayizisa beyangincanya. So angaze ngabhayiziseka that much. Actually angaze ngabhayiziseka.
And then let's talk about spirituality again.
Yeah,
As I said, with singabantu abamnyama lezi zinto ziyenzeka. I mean ngikhula njengoba ngishilo ukuthi sikhule kuthiwa kuneyikhova, sikhule kuthiwa abanye bahamba bengqunu. Thina sesaba ne-incident eKaslami, unomuzi wawusha, umunye umama nje usitoti, uzikhohliwe ebusuku ushaya inkwayikwayi ngabo 2. Ugogo like sikhuluma umuntu osehola ipension. Shaya inkwayikwayi uphethe ibag akabona ukuthi kunabantu like akazizwa.
Yeah.
And mara lo muntu lona makahamba emini ugobile ebusuku hayi ushaya enye inkwayikwayi sizwe indaba zeimfene nama chain. What have you into eyake kuhlasimlisa umzimba wena kulento yakhe esestradeni?
Okay. Aish. Kakhulu mani ilento yokuthi I've seen guys possessed. You know, ukuthi this guy is not the guy I usually see emini or umbona ukuthi this guy is possessed by a certain spirit that's making him do whatever he's doing, you know. But then nje kule business yokudla bafethu, it's a very shitty business egcwele ngama African. Ngithola iranwa yithi ama African. So there's a lot of jealousy and envy, you know. Ukuthi lo uyafika la fika khona, now he's making money, you know. So yeah, it's a very dangerous business when it comes to into the spirituality, business yokudla. And I think people shy away from that statement ukuthi vele kuyathakathwa ekudleni mfethu.
Serious?